In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into shapes in PowerPoint. This is a great design technique to make your presentation stand out and look more dynamic. So let's dive in and transform those ordinary slides into visually appealing masterpieces. To get started, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have the program up and running, navigate to the presentation you're working on. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new slide deck and follow along from there. Now let's say you want to add an image inside a shape. First, click on the shape in your presentation where you'd like to place the image. If you haven't added a shape yet, you can easily do this by going to the Insert tab, selecting Shapes, and choosing the one that best suits your design needs. Once you've got your shape on the slide and have it selected, it's time to move on to the next step. Take a look up at the ribbon across the top of PowerPoint and click on the Shape Format tab. This tab becomes available when you have your shape selected, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need to modify your shape. Within the Shape Format tab, you'll see a button labeled Shape Fill. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you several options for filling your shape, such as colors, textures, gradients, and of course pictures. For our purpose today, we'll be using a picture to fill the shape, so go ahead and click on Picture. Once you've clicked on Picture, a menu will appear giving you several options for selecting your image source. In this case, we are going to use an image from your computer, so you'll want to click on From a File. At this point, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer files to find the image you want to insert. Navigate to the folder where your desired image is stored, select the image and then click Insert. Voila! You should now see your image beautifully enveloped within the shape you selected. This method not only fills the shape with the image, but also crops the image to fit inside the shape perfectly, no matter its dimensions. Adjust the shape size and position to refine your design further if desired. And there you have it, a refined and professional looking slide with images incorporated into shapes, enhancing your presentation's visual appeal. This simple yet effective technique can be applied to various slides and shapes, helping you create stunning visuals every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps bring a fresh creative touch to your next PowerPoint presentation.